Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Maya and today's video is Vlogmas Day 18 period. So I'm about to get ready to go to work. I'm almost all the way ready. I'm gonna go take my dog Kaimila out. Let's see if we can see her. She's right there. Hi mama. She's so adorable. Oh, I just love her. So yeah, I'm about to take her out right now and then I'm gonna do some makeup, get my face together. I had to make my coffee, so let's go. Clay.
And I were inseparable, practically joined at the hip.
They're literally like, please take your
I only have 30 minutes to do my makeup. The other day we did 10 minutes though, so like improvement. I'm not doing great today. Today's like, I'm depressed. I'm very depressed. I don't feel like doing anything. But I picked up like another position on top of the position that I already have at my job. So I'm starting that today and I want to look presentable. So I'm going to do a little makeup, but it's not even that I don't want to go to work. I like to work. Like I like my job. Like I want to go to work. But it's just that I'm depressed. So I don't really want to do all that much of anything in reality. It's just a mess. It's just a mess. Healing journeys are so rough. I feel like people only show the, yeah, I'm a bad bee, like I'm a baddie, whatever, all of that. And like, look how far I came and like all of this shit. And I am so far away from that. Like I am still in that I am crying, throwing up phase of my life. And I can't even imagine getting to the, yeah, I'm a baddie and look at me. I'm still so deep into, I'm looking for, there we go, I'll use, oh, I want to use this one. Trying to find, hold on. Okay, I found what I was looking for. But yeah, I don't know. Sorry, I'm usually really happy and like positive, but I'm struggling. I'm having a really hard time. Yesterday was hard. Literally every day has been hard, but like some days are better than others. For sure, but lately they've all been really hard days. Oops, sorry, I got caught on my, it's getting caught on my nail. Oops, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I'm making a mess. But yeah, I'm just trying to get through everything. Yeah, I don't know. I feel like it's hard too because I'm trying not to share too much of like what I'm actually going through because it's so personal and I'm not the only person involved and I'm not healed yet. So it's like I'm not even ready to talk about it. Like not for real. Like I'm ready to do as much as I'm doing right now. Look how crazy my eyebrows look right now. Am I in focus? I don't know if I was in focus that entire time, but I really hope I was. This camera, I don't know what's been going on with it lately, but I haven't been in focus the entire time. And I'm like, what is going on? But yeah, I'm just getting ready for work. I do like my job a lot. I just think I need to get paid better. And I like working there, but I was talking to my friend at dinner. And our pay is so different, even though we both have master's degrees. And it really made me think like, okay, I need to like get my ish together and get a job that like requires my degrees. Which is like rough, and I really like my job and I really feel like they need me at my job. Like I feel like I've become important at my job. Which there's like a whole meme about that, about like becoming important at your job. Like, oh, I just accidentally became important at my job. And like, the role at my job, like the position that I have, was always, okay, this is already not working. What foundation do I want to use today? I kind of just want to go for this Fenty. Let's go for this Fenty. Oh, are they all like out? Like, what's happening? There we go. I wasn't pressing down enough. I can't remember what we were talking about. Oh yeah, I became like important at work. And so it's like I feel bad even considering the idea that like I need more money, because I've just gotten trained and I like genuinely love my coworkers and I love the work that I do. But I am also like, ooh, like I have bills and my life is changing so much right now where it's like I really, really do need to be financially like okay. And in my current position, it's like, girl, I'm barely okay. If I didn't have my mom's support, I don't know what I would be doing right now. I would literally be screwed. I'd literally be like homeless if I didn't have my mom. And like, that's not, like, that's not an exaggeration. Like, that's real life. That's real shit. And like, I know my family wouldn't just leave me like that. Obviously, I do know that. But the way that my mom helps me, she helps me so much. And I'm so grateful for my mom. Like, so grateful. So if you're watching this, Mom, I'm super grateful for you. Because I don't know what I would do without you. And I never want to, I don't want to find out because I love you so much. This looks, there we go. This looks better because how it's showing up on camera is not great. So I'm like, let me just get the warmth. But yeah, I'm doing really fast makeup today because I don't know, I'm not even in the mood. I'm excited to see how it look after I do my makeup, but I'm not in the mood to like do makeup today, if that makes any sense. But yeah, I'm just gonna finish up here. I'm gonna put on a YouTube video. Oh, also, I made my coffee. Just a normal coffee this time. It's not a it's not like an espresso, but it's really good and I'm happy I got it. I'm happy I made it like this day. I did a drip coffee. I just wanted to have enough coffee today to like fill up my entire mug. I just wanted something simple and easy and yeah, something large enough. Oh, sorry, large enough. It's been happening to me a lot lately where my words get caught in my throat. I wonder if something's going on with my throat chakra. Is there a lot that I'm not saying? Probably. I literally just explained how there's so much stuff that I'm like not explaining, and it's becoming like obvious what's going on to other people, but it's like I don't want to talk about it for real. But then it's like I also have become like an oversharer. Like I have like the constant desire to like talk about this with people like that, like I don't know. Which I don't know what that's about. Like I understand why that happens now. It's like I want to just tell everybody, but like not people that are close to me, because like I'm not ready for like the judgment and like the like sadness. Like I don't want to hear that. It's like the least thing that I want to hear is like the sadness that other people have for me. Like no, like I just don't want to hear that. I don't know what else to say. It's just, it just makes everything more real and like more sad for me. I think it's kind of like, I don't know, it's just not the move. It's just not the move. But it's becoming really, really apparent, and a part of that is my fault because I'm so sad and I keep reposting sad memes on Instagram like all of the time. I have like a personal Instagram that I use mainly now, and when I tell you, I just be posting my sadness on there all day, every day. Like, it's like I don't have no self-control with it. I'm just sad. So it's like, okay, I'm gonna post that sadness. But I don't think about like, okay, but other people can see that. And they're gonna put 2 and 2 together. But it's like I'm also just going through the life thing. So it's like I can't care about that. I have to just care about myself and like giving myself that like love that I need. So it's like I can't worry about like what things look like because they are what they are. So it's like at the same time, like I have to just give myself praise. Because I don't know, I've never been through this before. I'm hopefully not gonna go through this specific thing again. Oops, did I get this on my, oh my god, I just got makeup on my thing. Every time I wear one of these sweaters, I get makeup on it. I'm like, can you tell? No, we're good. But yeah, I've never gone through this before, so I have to give myself a lot of grace when it comes to this, because it's rough. Like, it's really, really hard to go through. There is no perfect way to go through it. Everybody has like different ways that they get through it. And so if mine is like, oh my god, I need to post on freaking online, like sad, like if I have to do that, then like I just have to do that, and it just is what it is, and I have to give myself the grace for it. If I have to post sad memes to feel like I can get through the day, then I can. Like, I'm just gonna have to do that. And anybody else that has anything to say about it can shut up. They can literally go F themselves, because like I'm a real person. I'm a real person. And no, please let it not have broken. Please let it have not broken. Oh, thank god. Thank god it did not break. Oh my god, I would have lost it. I would have lost it. This is my favorite bronzer, and it was broken before. Not by me. And I actually got it for free by NARS, and then I had to go buy it myself because it got broken. But that'll show you. Sometimes when I get good stuff in PR, I go and I rebuy it myself, even though it has such a high price tag. Some stuff I really love, and I'm like, I can't justify spending this money on this. That's why I don't encourage everybody to get every product. Like, I'll say, go check it out. Like, go to check it out at like Sephora and other places and see like, do you like it, test it out on your hand. Like, go check it out for yourself. But I'm not saying like you need to go run and buy this right now unless it's fire. Like, it has to be really, really good for me to say that. And then I recommend it. But some stuff I'm like, it's really good, but it's expensive. But everybody has a different version of what expensive is. I'm just gonna do this. Like, I'm not even gonna look at my closer mirror. I'm just gonna just kind of do it. I've been doing eyeshadow so long, I feel like I can do this without looking into my close-up mirror. I'm basically just looking into the viewfinder in my other mirror back here. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, what the hell was that on there? I feel like I didn't blend my makeup really good around my eyebrows, but I just blended it out better. As long as my makeup doesn't look crazy, I will be fine. I'm like, oh my gosh, this whole time my like something was wrong with my camera setting, so it was looking crazy, but like I'm not deleting that clip, so it is what it is. Hopefully, I know this looks better now. I don't know what happened. I made some kind of error the other day, but I'm almost done with my makeup. Let me finish and then I'll come back. My makeup is done, and I have a little bit of time, so let's open up this package that my mom sent for Christmas. I know it's yarn, I just don't know what's exactly in here. Let's see. Oh, it's this one. Okay, so it's my all cotton yarn, and I got it in this like lavender color. I want to make like not pot holders. I want to make what are they called, the little drink coasters. I want to make drink coasters with this. I want to make more washcloths with this, and then I want to make like dish scrubs with this. And then I'm thinking of even making some towels that go like your kitchen towels, so I'm thinking about making those with this, but I don't know if I have enough to do all of those. So yeah, but I'm excited. This is what it's like, 24/7 cotton. Yay, I'm really happy about this. This one I wasn't expecting to come first, but it did, so that's exciting. That helps a little bit with the day. So I'm about to get my coffee ready, and then I'm gonna head out the door, so I'll see you when I get back from work. I just want to show my outfit really quickly. I just got back from work and it is so hot. Let me start peeling my layers off. Oh my god. It is burning up in here. Work was really good. I didn't have any issues. Of course, work is always really good. I got to go visit the building of my new position, and that went really well. I got really excited about being like a member of the team there. So things went really well. I'm like sweating, so I need to go head into the shower. So that's the first thing on the agenda, is showering. And then of course, come here, come here. What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? We're gonna get cozy. Yeah. Period. Let me know in the comments. Did you know what I was gonna say? Did you know I was gonna say let's get cozy? But first, shower time. I'm out of the shower and I got pretty cozy for the most part. I got like my little cozy shorts on, got a cozy little shirt on, and I've got my cozy shoes on. I think I'm gonna make some tea, but I have a psychiatry appointment in like 5 minutes that I totally forgot about. So I've got to go to my psychiatry appointment, and then we can hang out together. We can do things together, you know? You know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? I'm in better spirits right now. I just keep going up and down and up, you know? Like one minute I'm up here and I'm doing great and everything feels great. One minute I'm down here and everything sucks and I'm struggling with the whole entire world on my shoulders and I don't know what to do and I'm super cryy. Right now though, I'm up. I'm up right now, so I'm gonna enjoy being up. I'm gonna try to get through this hour just being up. I was trying to go, because I'm up right now and you stuck right now. You know that song? Okay, all right guys. I'm just being silly, so let me go to my appointment. Hi friends, I just had my appointment and it went pretty good. Like, we're gonna keep my meds the same, which is, you know, pretty good for me. She said that if I'm having too much depression to let her know, because right now I've got some depression going on. I'm wrapped up in my blanket. It's my grandma's blanket. My grandma passed away and this is my blanket of her. So when I need like a little hug, I just kind of wrap myself in here. But I also have my new yarn that I got and I want to make some washcloths out of it, so I'm gonna go do that right now. I like making washcloths because I like having them, but then I also feel like they're just really handy and I finished them fast. So yeah, I'm gonna go make some, and probably some coasters too. So yeah. Hi guys, it's getting late, so this is the end of the video. I hope you guys had a great day today and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye friends.